Section 7, Unit 2, Grinding Wheels for Precision Grinding. Introduction. Grinding wheel removes material from workpiece by cutting action from each tiny abrasive cut. Bonding agent holds the individual abrasives together, and many variations of wheel types and shapes available for different applications. So your wheel shapes, many different shapes available. The face of the wheel is the surface designated or designed for efficient grinding. Other wheel surfaces are also used occasionally. Examples of some of the many different shapes of grinding wheels are shown. And here are some examples of some of the many different shapes of grinding wheels. So straight, a cylinder wheel, recessed on one side, straight cup wheel, recessed on two sides, flaring cup wheel, dish wheel, saucer, relieved on one side, relieved on two sides, relieved on one side, recessed on the other, relieved and recessed on the same side, relieved and recessed one side, recessed the other side, relieved and recessed one side, relieved the other side, and relieved and recessed both sides. Grinding wheel specifications. Characteristics for describing standard wheels. So you got abrasive type, this is aluminum oxide or ceramic aluminum oxide, or carbon or silicon carbide is C, where the other is A. Grit grain size is lower number more coarse and higher number more fine. Grade is hardness or strength of bond, and A is soft through Z is hard designation. You've got your structure, which is spacing between the grains. 1 is close and 16 is wide designation. And then you got bond type, which is material that holds grains together and designated by code letter. So here it is actually set up the way it would on a blotter. A grinding wheel blotter showing the abrasive type, grain size, grade, structure, and bond type, as well as wheel dimensions. B is the summary of the system for classifying grinding wheels. So here's your optional manufacturer detail. Okay, and abrasive type is A, so it could be A or C. Grit size could be coarse, medium, fine, or very fine. So there's the different ones for that. Your grade is J on this one. So remember, soft is A to G, medium is H to P, and hard is Q to Z. Structure on this one is 8. 1 is closely grouped grains, and 16 is widely spaced grains. Bond type is V, which on that one will be vitrified. B is resinoid, BF is resinoid reinforced, E is shellac, R is rubber, RF is rubber reinforced, and S is silicate, and V is vitrified. And then you get your optional manufacturer detail after that too. So outside diameter of wheel 7, width of wheel 1/4, and hole size is 1 1/4. You manufacture a preset fix is 38. Abrasive size type is A. Grain size is 60. J is grade. Structure is 8, and bond is B. And then you got BE as optional manufacturer detail. Super abrasives grind extremely hard materials. Contain a layer of diamonds or cubic boron nitrate (CBN) on metal wheel. It looks like that. A super abrasive grinding wheel. Note how the abrasive material is bonded to an aluminum wheel body. That's to get rid of cost. The marking system used for CBN and diamond super abrasive wheels. The data shown is for a sample wheel. So prefix M, abrasive D, grain size 120. Grade R, concentration is 100, bond type is B, bond modification is 56, and abrasive or depth of abrasive is 1/8 of an inch, and your manufacturer identification symbol.